In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use strips in Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor and look over to the left-hand menu. Click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. From there, select Strip. Wix gives you several strip styles to choose from, including options like Classic, About, Services, or a completely blank strip if you want full control. Pick the layout that best fits your page, then drag it into place. Strips are a great way to create clean, full-width sections on your site, and they help organize content in a way that looks polished and easy to read. Once your strip is on the page, the next step is customizing the background. This is one of the easiest ways to make the section stand out visually. Click on the strip, then choose Change Strip Background. You will be able to select a color, an image, or a video, depending on the style you want. A solid color works well for simple modern sections, while images and videos can make the page feel more dynamic. As you adjust the background, pay attention to settings like opacity, color overlays, and scaling. These controls help you improve readability, so your text and buttons remain clear and easy to see. After that, you can add columns to improve the layout inside the strip. Columns are especially useful when you want to place content side by side without things overlapping or feeling cramped. Click Layout on the strip's floating toolbar, then select Add Column. You can divide the strip into 2, 3, or even up to 5 sections depending on your design needs. Wix also lets you work with equal or custom proportions, which gives you more flexibility. If needed, you can change the background or alignment of each individual column to make the section look more balanced and professional. Next, attach your elements to the strip or to specific columns. This is important because it helps text, buttons, and images scale correctly across different screen sizes. To do that, drag an element over the strip until you see the prompt to attach it to the strip, or attach it to a column. Once it's attached, it becomes part of that section's structure. As you position your content, make sure all important items stay within the vertical grid lines of the strip. This helps keep everything aligned and prevents content from looking off-center on different devices. Finally, if you want to add some movement, click on the strip and select Animation and Effects. Choose Fade. Then click Customize to select whether the animation fades in or out. This adds a subtle visual touch without overwhelming the page. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.